Hi guys, this is Hike of Buffalo. Today I'm going to show it to you guys for one of our famous trail course, just like a white-dome. The Belly of Fire is one of our first state park. This trail is a really good trail. You guys expecting like a white-dome road, the Prospect Trail, but 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I'm going to show you today is really, if you guys will come to the Vegas, we're starting with this is white-dome trail first. So let's go together. This trail is really easy beginner trail, but you can see like this. This is white sand, very soft. This is work is not easy. So that means like even if this is beginner courses, you need proper shoes needed. So you guys see right here, this is a white-dome trail. This is downhill. This is the hardest part actually. So very slippery with the sand. You guys have to be careful with it, especially if you come with some little kids. Should be taking care of that. So let's go to downhill, the hardest course. Behind me you can see some of very interesting structure right here, right? So this is the filmmaker in 1965, the Professional. So this is a movie set. From here to at the parking lot we parked there, and that's exactly railroad connected. So this is a movie set was. So actually 1965 the Professional movie set up here, but all photographs starting to 1920. This is kind of historical, the picture photographers historical area. So you see this one. So black and white, 1965, the movie setup. So this is a very interesting spot. Actually, the major movie thing here is like an Electric Horseman. You really knew that Star Trek Generation is also filming this area. This is, I named it like an antelope-like. So you can expecting is really interesting at the valley side. You can expecting for this trail. So let's go to work, okay? Hey guys, look at this. I was been a couple times in Antelope Canyon. If you go to Antelope Canyon, exactly you can expecting this kind of narrow, the valley like this. So you can go through this. How was that, guys? We just passed through the antelope-like canyons. It's a beautiful sunshine, mild wind, and this silence. This is what we do for hiking. Today, this hiking, I found a very interesting things. Ladder, old nail formation. I think this is the movie set. I found this kind of nail. What are you doing? This is it. This is the White-Dome Trail. It took about 45 minutes. It's short trail. We can see a lot of beautiful things inside. So this is my first introducing for a trail course. I love hiking.